So hey y'all, hey. So I went to Dollar Tree to get some stuff to make my baby Easter basket with. I never really made an Easter basket, so this is my first year making a DIY Easter basket. I don't think my baby really ever had an Easter basket. Like, no, she never really had a basket. But yeah, this is my first year. I got some stuff from Dollar Tree. I got her a basket from Walgreens. So this, I wanted the Minnie Mouse one, but when I went back, they didn't have no more. So I'm like, oh my god! I was gonna put like a purple bow around the ears just to make it look like girly, but I guess Mickey Mouse is good for a girl. So yeah, it's big. I love it. It's so big. I really love it. Almost as big as me, but I love it. I think it was like $14.99 or something like that. So yeah, it's really deep. So yeah, I got this from Walgreens, $14.99. Everything else just came from the Dollar Tree, and of course everything in this bag was $1. So I just got this. It's a little game to put in there. I got this little etch and sketch thingamajig. I just got some little stuff. I got these little jelly bean eggs. Got jelly beans in it. I got her a jump rope because I do want to teach her how to jump rope and stuff. Like, we can't go outside, so we want to jump rope in the house, and that's cool. So yeah, I just got her a little jump rope. So yeah, every little girl needs to know how to jump rope. Every little girl needs a jump rope. Okay. And I got these little chocolate eggs. Of course, y'all, you know I don't eat all this candy in one day. Y'all know I don't eat candy like that. I don't get her candy like that because it messes her stomach up. So yeah, I got this little thing. It's like a lollipop. It looks like a little bunny mouth. I got 3 of these. It's just a little grass for the little basket. So I got 3 of these. I got this little ball. I think it glow in the dark, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it glow in the dark or something like that. But I got this little ball. She do like little balls like this, like the bounce and stuff. So got it. And she love peeps. So I had to get her some peeps. She won't be too excited for these. I can't wait. And I got some little gummies, some frozen gummies. And it's a game in here, so you can do that. And I got some little hard candy. And y'all, I want to get her some like fake makeup and stuff, cause she like love makeup, love doing her makeup, love doing her nails, love doing her eyebrows, all that. But I couldn't even find none at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, so I just got her some nails. These little nails. I'm gonna do her nails for her. Put these on. This will be something fun to do. But yes, y'all, I was too mad they didn't have like the fake makeup. Like, I don't know. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get to making this Easter basket. I'm excited. with it. This is how it looks. Really easy. It was fast. This is everything fit great. It's full. Yeah, I guess I'm happy with it. I was gonna put the little purple bow on it, but my baby like Mickey Mouse too, so I know she'll be cool with it. But yeah, y'all, I love it. I didn't even get no plastic to put around it because they didn't have none at the Dollar Tree, so I'm just give it to her like this. This how it look. I'm happy with it. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys are gonna make an Easter basket. Let me know what you guys want for Easter, even though we can't do much. Just let me know. Leave me some suggestions for videos you guys want me to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one.